Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Styling with Stacy, but I'm coming to you today as Stacy, a proud member of the Glam Squad. Today I'm bringing you our season finale fall tablescape, which is titled Elegant Fall Tablescape 2020. I'm going to bring you in closer and tell you where certain pieces are from, and it won't be too many because I think I've already presented most of this stuff to you guys in a haul or either a previous tablescape. So let's jump right on into it. Oh, and before I forget, let me tell you who the other members of the Glam Squad. We have Ellen of Glamour Ellen. We have Chanel of Inspired by Chanel. We have Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIY'ingIt. Elegant Fall Tablescape 2020. This is my centerpiece here, you guys. The little birdies you see here were a find from the dollar store years ago. And I'm hoping that you can see the glitter on the faux coral foliage here. There it goes. You can pick it up just a little bit. That I just simply placed in a DIY vase. Okay. You've already seen the blue and gold pumpkins, the luminary candles, now the one thing you probably have not seen is the actual table runner, and I may have done it in a haul, I can't remember, but I'll bring you around so you can see it in its entirety. I purchased this runner from Hobby Lobby, and the end of it simply says blessed on both sides. These are candles that I've had for quite a while as well, that I've never showcased in anything that you would have seen here on the tube. DIY glasses. These are my place settings, and all 4 place settings are the same. The napkins are Pier 1 purchase. The napkin rings, Hobby Lobby purchase. The pumpkins, showcased in a previous haul. Showcased in a previous haul. The placemat from Walmart. You've already seen these, and you've also seen these. So, this is my Elegant Fall Tablescape 2020. I hope you enjoy it or glean some inspiration from it. Hey everyone, it's Stacy of Styling with Stacy, and today I'm presenting you with my Elegant Fall Tablescape 2020 as a member of the awesome group Glam Squad. I hope you enjoy. You all stay blessed and stay safe. The members of the Glam Squad include myself of Styling with Stacy, Ellen of Glamour Ellen, Chanel of Inspired by Chanel, and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Thank you again for watching, and you guys stay blessed. Peace and love always. And now for the cozy fall evening ambiance. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking in to the end. Thank you to all my subscribers, old, new, and yet to come. I appreciate you very much. You guys stay blessed, stay positive, and stay encouraged. God is up to something, and you don't want to miss it. Peace and love always. I'm out.